I'm getting ready to get my food truck inspected today. It's April the 30th, 2019. This is the third year I'm getting an inspection. The fire marshals are really tough. They check everything, so you want to make sure everything's labeled. Make sure you got your GFCIs. Make sure you got your proper signs on. Say no smoking, propane aboard. Make sure your hoses and everything. Make sure you get your equipment inspected. Your burners or fryers inspected and tagged before you go there. Your compressions, fire compression system. So everything have to be checked yearly. Also, your venter hood have to be completely welded. So I've seen a lot of people fail today. So I'm heading here off Ritchie Road. I'm getting ready to take the exit to go to the inspection site here for Harris County. And if anybody have done this inspection, it's nerve-wracking. You can sit in lines for 8-9 hours, and then you get up there and 3 minutes later they tell you you fail. But now you have to actually schedule an appointment to come and get your food truck inspected. So I had to set up an appointment. Mine is at 8:30 a.m. today on April the 30th, 2019. And it's a lot of stuff you need to bring with you. Make sure you have your inspection, your food manager certificate, your driver's license. You also have to have a menu. You need to have your insurance and your liability. Make sure you have your old inspection information from last year. And it's a lot of stuff, but it's on their website. You can visit their website and see exactly what you need. So if you end up failing, they will reschedule to go take it again. So you don't have to pay again. To get this inspection for the mobile food truck is $335 for the year. But you hope everything goes well. But like I said, it's very nerve-wracking because last year I had to get a new venter hood because mine wasn't completely welded. So that cost me about $2,500 to get that fixed. Then I had to come back 30 days later and get it re-inspected. And usually when you're driving up here, you will see food trucks lined up all on this street right here. But since you have to set up an appointment, now they only schedule so many. So like last year, if you see my video, when I turned here, you notice that it was a lot of food trucks lined up. I even left like 5 o'clock that morning to get here last year, and I was still like number 10 or 15 in line. So maybe this scheduling appointments is good. Because when I pulled up around this corner, I noticed that there was probably about 3 or 4 food trucks. But this is here on Ritchie Road. So I pulled up, and they did all the inspection and everything went well. But I noticed a few people was having problems with generators. I'd say probably out of 10 or 15 people, only 2 of us passed for that day. And mostly because of the GFCIs and also the other stuff with the venter hood and other regulations that they have. And the fire marshal told me that next year it's going to be even more regulations. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel.